Learn names of months in Arabic quiz test. Question 1. What does January mean in Arabic? Is it Yanaya or Febraya? Answer, Yanaya. That's absolutely correct. Fantastic start. Keep it up. Question 2. Which month is called February in Arabic? Is it Febraya or Maris? Answer, Febraya. Spot on. Great answer. You're doing amazing. Question 3. What is the Arabic name for March? Is it Maris or Abril? Answer, Maris. That's correct. Awesome work. Keep going. Question 4. Which month is called April in Arabic? Is it Abril or Mayu? Answer, Abril. This is a correct answer. Thanks for watching. Watch for Arabic videos by qualified teachers. Test your understanding with the free online quiz, link in the description. Watch more vocab videos with attached exercises for free. Until next time, take care and keep learning.